saying hello, guys. They are from Taiwan, everybody. Ni hao ma. Ni hao. Adi, Sawadika in Thailand.
Okay.
Kumusta ka in Filipino? Kumusta?
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 Kumusta mabuhay?
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay?
We're used to saying mabuhay. Only people from outside Philippines were saying mabuhay, but it's not really common in the Philippines.
Ah.
God!
Kumusta,
Look
common?
at that. Kumusta is common.
Okay.
yes.
Kumusta?
Mabuti.
Oh, mabuti. Ooh. Two
Oh my God!
colors.
Oh. So this is traffic.
Yes.
Hello everyone.
Ooh. หนักไหมครับ
So we don't have a cat?
Yeah, I have three cats in my room. Oh, our boat doesn't have cats.
So the cat is actually
The cat is good, yeah.
you ask the man at your back if I can have my cat here to do the job and they